Irregular periods and periods, irregularities after childbirth, and its causes if your period hasn't returned to its regular rhythm. After having a baby, you're not alone. Irregular menstrual cycles are incredibly common postpartum, especially if you're breastfeeding in fact, for many new moms, it can take several months or even up to a year for things to normalize. Here's a closer look at why this happens and when you might want to check in with your doctor what's causing. The irregularity hormones in flux. Pregnancy and childbirth throw your hormones into a whirlwind. After delivery, your body needs time to adjust and settle back into its natural cycle, which can make periods irregular or even non-existent for a while. Breastfeeding and prolactin. If you breastfeeding, you're producing prolactin, the hormone that helps with milk production. While it's great for feeding your baby, prolactin also suppresses ovulation, which can delay the return of your period. What's considered normal? Normal for your cycle to be unpredictable in the early months after childbirth. Some women bounce back quickly, while others don't see a period for many months, especially if they're exclusively breastfeeding. When should you be concerned? While most irregularities are nothing to worry about, you should speak with your doctor. If your periods are unusually heavy, painful, or last too long, you have frequent spotting or bleeding between periods, your period hasn't returned several months after giving birth, you experience large blood clots, intense cramping, or fever, factors that can affect your cycle. Breastfeeding. The more often you breastfeed, the longer it may take for your period to return. Bottle feeding moms who formula feed or mix feed typically see their periods come back sooner. Weight changes. Significant postpartum weight loss or gain can disrupt your cycle. Underlying conditions. Conditions like PCOS or thyroid imbalances can also affect your periods. Bottom line, postpartum periods are rarely textbook. Your body is recovering from an incredible journey, and that takes time. But if something feels off or you're concerned, don't hesitate to check in with your healthcare provider on +254 7011 68 779. Call or WhatsApp. Peace of mind is more